is Kamini here and I'm from PTE Tutorials Aussies group. And today with us has joined Ibad Ali from Pakistan. Would you please introduce yourself, Ibad?
Hi, ma'am. My name is Ibad Ali. I live in Pakistan and I am 39 now.
Okay. And
Yeah,
before I introduce your score, I'll be really glad if you tell it from yourself because it's a bang on perfect score.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I was searching for real PTE mentors and I had a long journey. And after attempting 5 times without practicing on PTE tutorials and getting sessions from PTE tutorials, I finally found PTE-tutorials.com where I created my free account and I got number of ultimate practice tests and tips and tricks from there.
Wow, nice to know that. So viewers, before we move forward, I would like to introduce his perfect score. So he has got 84 in listening, 80 in reading, perfect 90 in speaking, writing again he has got perfect 90, which makes up to 86 perfect score. It is an amazing score from my side. The only place where he has missed one score, it is in vocab, and that is again 89. Rest all the subsections he has got the perfect 90. So how are you feeling right now?
Yes, ma'am. It's an awesome feeling, and I'm just planning to move to Australia.
That's completely amazing. Nice to know that you're already planning to go forward. And
yeah,
so we know that you have taken coaching from Sushma. So if you can tell the viewers, how did Sushma help you with your areas of improvements and everything?
Ma'am, as I told you, I was Googling all the time and I found PTE-tutorials.com and then I joined I joined 4 sessions of PTE tutorials on a very nominal cost. And I will say it was my luck that I found Miss Sushma on PTE tutorials and she was amazing. Her wonderful tips and tricks and guidance made it.
That's really nice to know. So I would like to just quickly ask, since you have perfect scores in every section, according to you, which section you feel is the toughest and you need the most practice in?
Ma'am, the toughest part of PT academic is reading. And all the time you get very confusing questions with, if you don't have a grammar knowledge and which ma'am Sushma has provided me with all the tips and tricks, parts of his speech, pronunciation, everything like that. So it made me achieve that score. Without these tips and tricks from PT tutorials and especially ma'am Sushma, I could not have done that.
Thank you so much, sir. This means a lot to us and I'm really, really glad and I would really feel that Sushma will be more than happy than any person right now to know this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, moving forward, have you used the PTE application in which we provide you, which is a mobile application which you can practice?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Actually, I was inspired by that application and I used to work on it for hours and hours, like a video game when you play. And there was number of ultimate practice tests. Even you can go through from speaking to and right from dictation, and you will get all the tests and practice materials on it.
Okay, that's amazing. That's amazing to know, sir. And we are really thankful that our application could help you out. And sir, is there any specific tip or trick which you would like to suggest to the students or the aspirants who are willing forward? Because you said this was your 5th attempt, right? So like,
yes, ma'am.
You have struggled a lot to be where you are today. So can you please suggest any kind of tricks which you personally feel is really helpful from your side?
Ma'am, the basic need to pass the PTE academic is PTE tutorials. I found it because I'm a computer guy. I am software developer, and I used to search and I was trying to crack many exams, and it wouldn't work. And finally, Aussie's group helped me, and I got Ma'am Sushma, and she told me the basic knowledge of how to write an essay, how to speak in a normal voice without any hesitations, and parts of his speech, which is a basic part of grammar, and it helped me.
Thank you so
Even
much.
more.
This means really a lot. And were there any kind of repeat questions which you found in the examination?
Yes, ma'am. There were a lot of repeat questions, and especially in speaking, listening, and writing.
That's we are actually glad to know. And as Malcolm sir recently also mentioned on his Facebook video, that again a new sheet will be generated soon of the repeated questions which you guys can find out online. And we are very glad to know that we really helped you a lot. And sir, you mentioned and you thanked us a lot, but again it is a lot of hard work which an individual requires.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So can you please say that when you step into the exam hall, there is a lot of background noise and there is a lot of motivation which you need to manage. So how did you cope up with that?
Ma'am, it's actually, I again tell you about Ma'am Sushma's tips because she told me how to manage the mic and how to concentrate on your own paper. And if you have a basic knowledge of English, as for me, I am non-native speaker, and even by not actually, my scores were very low before having a session with Miss Sushma and Aussie's group. But these tips and tricks work really well, and she provided me materials which are the maximum materials available on net today. Everyone is claiming that we have materials and they ask for huge prices, but they didn't work, ma'am. Actually, the material which is with PTE-tutorials.com, it is a real material, ma'am.
We are very glad to help you out. I can't thank you enough for addressing us so many times. But just moving towards the last part, as you said that you have to focus on your own, and you need to manage with your headphones and everything. So
yes, ma'am.
I'm really glad that we could help you out, and I thank you on the behalf of Aussie's group and Miss Sushma again. And one compliment which we all would like to give you, that as you said that you are a non-native English speaker, but the confidence which you have right now, which I can see, and especially the viewers will see as soon as this video releases. It's amazing. You really don't sound like one non-native. You sound perfect with your vocabs, with your tones and everything. We are really glad we could help you out.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Anything else which you would like to address to the aspirants?
Ma'am, it's the practice is the key to success, and the materials which they give on the PTE-tutorials.com. And if you practice and take a session, you will get 2 scored mock tests. And on these 2 scored mock tests, you will get a specialist and points, and they will even find your weak areas to focus on the exam.
Yes, that's true. So as I was about to mention this, but I feel that you're more towards PTE than us. So I will again just repeat it very shortly and quickly. Guys, every time you buy any coaching or online coaching or one-to-one sessions, you do get score tests with us. And if you practice them, they're evaluated by PTE experts, and you also get guidance by them. So you can call us anytime if you want any kind of guidance regarding your scorecards, or if you want to know your areas of improvement. And I would, as I say at the end of every video, more than us, more than the application, trust the person who has experienced it. Trust the person's word. So, and as he said, practice makes a person perfect. That is our motto, and that is our tagline, that we want to make you people more successful in your lives.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Ibad, for your time.
Thank you. Thank you very much, ma'am.
And it was nice knowing you and knowing that you have got the perfect score of 86, and wish you a happy journey.
Thank you very much, ma'am. It was nice meeting. Thank you.